Once upon a time, a cute white cat named Mishki lived on the edge of a small forest. Mishki wasn't just adorable but also very clever and responsible. She managed all the house chores, whether it was cleaning, cooking, or taking care of little tasks. Mishki handled everything perfectly. One day, a lost lion cub named Sheru wandered into Mishki's home from the forest. Sheru was very young and innocent, with no one to rely on. When Mishki saw him, she quickly welcomed him under her roof and began to care for him. Sheru, being young, was full of mischief and energy. Sometimes he would knock over vegetables with his paws, and other times he would playfully get in Mishki's way while she worked. But Mishki patiently taught him and cared for him with love. The two of them kept busy each day with new tasks. Mishki taught Sheru household chores and introduced him to the forest friends nearby, like the birds, rabbits, and monkeys who lived around their home. Sheru was thrilled with his new home and his new friend. One day, when a bigger lion came to bother Sheru, Mishki bravely and cleverly protected him. That day, Sheru realized his friend Mishki wasn't just responsible but also very courageous. As time went by, Mishki and Sheru's friendship grew stronger, and every day they learned something new, laughed together, and looked after each other.